The Samsung Galaxy S series has long been at the forefront of the premium smartphone industry. As we approach the next iteration, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, excitement is building up among tech enthusiasts. Recent leak renders have set the smartphone world abuzz, offering interesting glimpses of what could be Samsung's most groundbreaking device yet. In this video, we'll dissect these leaked images and specifications, exploring potential features, from revolutionary technology to design changes. We'll also discuss expected release dates and pricing. So, without further ado, let's start the video. The Galaxy S25 Ultra might receive a fresh design direction for Samsung's flagship line. Leaks hint to a more rounded profile reminiscent of the Galaxy Note 7, with a thinner 8.4mm frame. While retaining the titanium build, the device could feature a flatter front with curved edges towards the back, resulting in slimmer bezels. It is rumored to weigh around 219 grams. Display-wise, it is expected to gain a slight increase in screen size, possibly reaching 6.86 inches. This expansion may come without significantly increasing the phone's overall dimensions, thanks to reduced bezels. Samsung is likely to continue pushing brightness boundaries, likely surpassing the S24 Ultra's impressive 2600 nits peak brightness. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, promising a significant performance boost with its rumored 4.3 GHz prime core. Early benchmarks suggest it could match the A18 Bionic chip's performance. The device may also include faster UFS 4.1 storage and an upgraded 16 GB of RAM. These enhancements could support advanced on-device AI capabilities and improved multitasking. While some S25 models might use Exynos 2500 or potentially MediaTek chips, the Ultra version is likely to stick with Snapdragon exclusively. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to receive a significant camera upgrade, primarily focusing on its ultra-wide lens. According to leaks, Samsung plans to introduce a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a brighter f1.9 aperture, replacing the current 12-megapixel f2.2 setup. This change promises enhanced detail, especially in macro shots, and most likely enables 8K video recording from the ultra-wide lens. While the pixel size will decrease to 0.7 micrometers, the wider aperture should capture 34% more light, improving low-light performance. The main 200-megapixel sensor, 10 megapixels 3x zoom, and 50 megapixel 5x zoom cameras are expected to remain unchanged from the S24 Ultra, maintaining Samsung's robust multi-camera system. The S25 Ultra is expected to launch with Android 15 and likely continue Samsung's commitment to 7 years of software support. Building on the Galaxy AI features introduced in the S24 series, Samsung may expand its AI capabilities, including generative AI for Bixby. All S25 models are anticipated to share these AI features. Additionally, satellite connectivity might debut in the upcoming series, aligning Samsung with competitors who already offer this technology for emergency communications in areas without cellular coverage. The upcoming S25 Ultra is expected to retain the 5000 mAh battery capacity of its predecessor, along with 45 watts fast charging. Despite no increase in battery size, improved GPU efficiency could potentially enhance overall battery life. However, the power demands of the new chip might decrease these gains. Interestingly, the S25 Ultra is rumored to be the thinnest and lightest flagship in its class, which makes maintaining the same battery capacity an impressive feat of engineering, preserving the excellent battery life of its predecessor. While exact details remain unconfirmed, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to launch in early 2025, possibly mid-January during the Galaxy Unpacked event. Pricing is uncertain, but it may exceed the S24 Ultra's $1,299 starting price due to the cost of the latest Snapdragon chip. Samsung's recent trend of earlier releases suggests the S25 series could debut shortly after CES 2025. As we wrap up our exploration of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra leaks, it's clear that this device is shaping up to be a significant evolution in the Galaxy S series. From its slimmer design and enhanced display to the powerful Snapdragon processor and improved camera system, Samsung seems poised to push the boundaries of smartphone technology once again. As always, it's important to approach these leaks with caution, but if even half of these rumors prove true, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be a game-changer in the premium smartphone market. That's all for today. Write down your thoughts on this upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.